Hello students, I am Parag Barve. Now let us discuss about the physiography of Brazil. There are 5 physiographic divisions in Brazil. Among them, the first is the highlands, second, the Great Escarpment, third, the coastal region, fourth, the plains, and fifth, the islands. Now let us study them one by one. The first physiographic division of Brazil is the highlands. Among them, there are two types of highlands in Brazil. Among them, the first is the Brazilian highlands. The southern Brazil is occupied by an extensive plateau called as Brazilian highlands. It gradually slopes towards the north and the slopes are not very steep. You can see the Brazilian highlands here in this part. Then let us come to the second one. Second is the Guiana highlands, which is in Venezuela and extends up to French Guiana. It covers the states of Roraima, Para and Amapá in Brazil. Let us see the part of Guiana highlands. You can see here in the northern part about the Guiana highlands. The Brazilian highlands and the Guiana highlands together form the core of South American continent. The next physiographic division of Brazil is the Great Escarpment. It occupies a very small area, but the nature of its slope and effect on climate make it a separate physiographic region. It acts as a barrier to the southeast trade winds, giving rise to rain shadow area in the northeastern part of the highlands. It is very steep from Sao Paulo to Porto Alegre. The next physiographic division of Brazil is the coasts. There are two coasts in Brazil. First one is the northern coast, which extends from Amapá province in the north to Rio Grande do Norte in the east. Then second is the eastern coast, which starts from this area up to the east, up to the Atlantic Ocean in the south. Overall, Brazil has a coastline of 7,400 kilometers. Then the next physiographic division is the plains. There are two main plains in Brazil. First one is the Amazon plain lying to the northern parts of Brazil. Most of the plains are covered by tropical rainforest. The second plains are Paraguay-Paraná plains. They are called by this name as they form the source region of these two rivers. They are located to the southwestern part of the highlands. The fifth physiographic division of Brazil is islands. There are two types of islands in Brazil: coastal islands and marine islands. Most of the coastal islands are formed due to deposition. Marine islands were a part of the mainland. They are mostly rocky and they are the top of the submerged islands. The islands near the coast of the South Atlantic Ocean are coral islands. Some of the famous islands in Brazil are shown in the map. So in this way, we have studied about the 5 physiographic divisions of Brazil: the highlands, the Great Escarpment, the coasts, the plains, and the islands. Thank you.